shop. Today we're opening 2 Shopkin surprises. You see here? Even though it's cookie. Let's start opening. First, I need to open this. Surprises. You don't want this. Let's do this. This one's gonna open. This one's kind of cracked too. It's kind of cracked. Oh, can't even open it. Shut up. Oh, ew. I can't even open it. Press that. I can go to the next one now. It's super out of hand. So if you want to go, I want to see if this one's the one I wanted. Crack. I don't know why I have 2 less hands. Well. Good. I got the crack open. I wanted one of these. So it's like this. I have to put it together. That did not help. So let's open the next one. I have another one of the, it's a watermelon, and also I have this one. I have a pillow of one of these. That is so cute. And yeah, I wanted one of these when I first started first grade, I think. And here it is, one of these. I can't snap it together. I think I do. Here's it. Da-da-da. I forgot these 2 names. So yeah, I dropped it. Put it right here. Snap it. There you go. Here they are. It's this cute watermelon Shopkin. Yeah. And also here's this Shopkin, and also it has chickenpox on it. So thank you for coming to Guinevere's show, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and see you later. Bye.